up, everybody? Welcome to another video. As you guys can see, we've painted the Miata red. We've put the windshield thing back on. We put some body panels back on the car as well. And a lot of progress has been made, but I haven't been filming due to being really busy at work and stuff. So I also swapped the wheels. Just kidding! That was nice. Thank you. The Miata is actually over there, as you guys can see in the shot. And this is the parts car. I'm gonna zoom in.
Oh, okay, right.
Like this part. This is actually parts car that was outside our shop, Caleb's shop. I don't know why I just said our shop.
You wanna pay rent? Yeah.
But anyway, this is a parts car. We're gonna get some stuff off of it for my car. We are getting the steering column, getting the steering wheel, all the harness, all the wiring harness. Probably gonna get the brake booster and all the stuff, as well as some brakes themselves and some other minor stuff. I'm super excited to get these parts and actually start working on the car again. Sorry for the lack of videos. I was working, but you guys saw the vlog. I worked a lot. Thank you very much. Let's get started.
Hell yeah.
As Caleb is working on the car right now, just marking some wires, I'm gonna give you a little bit of a background for this car. This car actually had 80,000 miles on it. It got in a front end collision. This is why this dash bar is on. So the people who owned the car before just chopped off the front end and made it into this thing. So since this car got in a front end collision, the frame is not straight. And we don't want the car that's not the right frame set.
English.
So I disconnected all the brake lines from the brake booster. Brake master cylinder and the brake booster itself are now disconnected. The lines are disconnected. So the next step, what I'm gonna do is try to disconnect or unbolt everything from the other side of the car. While Caleb, on the other hand, is working on still labeling
wiring.
everything.
Yep.
The wiring.
It's all under there, so I'm just gonna get in there, unscrew everything, and take it out. A few minutes later, we've been working on the car. I almost got the brake booster out, and Caleb is currently taking over the spot to remove the harness on the front, so that's what we're doing. So as you guys can see, the car is kind of a disaster. A little bit, but
It's a little rough.
it's not too bad. Like, it's not like completely messed up. It's just taken apart. It's not like it's all confusing. It's hard to take some of the...
Yeah, some of the old plastic things are a little difficult.
You got it.
It also sucks because my thumb hurts, so. Oh God! This is deep, very painful, and very bloody.
Pretty sure you press on that.
I don't think that actually pushes anything. Oh, okay, you're right. Okay, yep, you were right. Yep, okay. Set that main section out.
Nice. I only have one more bolt left. One more nut left to take out the brake booster from this side. You guys can't really see, but not this one, but the one that's like further down that way. This one is holding the steering column right here. It's not really focusing, but it's like that one right there. But other than that, the car is completely, I don't know, destroyed, completely taken apart. We'll just keep working on that, and I'll film as much as I can. But I do want to get some work done because I haven't been really working on the car. And we're not necessarily going to put everything back in my Miata, but we're going to do our best to take everything out today. Pretty sure I unscrewed everything, so let's see if it comes out.
You have to take the
Pedal out.
well, it's attached to the brake pedal, yeah. So
Yes.
you have to take that off.
Did unscrew that, but I need to take the pedal out, apparently.
You don't need to take the brake pedal out, you need to take this pin out, which...
Do you think you can do it for me?
I can't...
Or is your thumb hurt?
No, I can do it.
Do the honor?
Oh, there's brake fluid everywhere!
That's why you're doing the honor.
That's good for you.
Alright, brake booster out.
Boom.
You can low-key just kind of throw it in my car. Out with an old, in with a new. Except there's
Your pedals are in the way, but yeah.
Your what?
Your pedals are in the way, I can't push it in.
Pedals? I can't really get them out. Yeah, you can. There you go. Boom.
Look at that.
Pedals, brake booster. It's coming along, guys. I'm actually not doing nothing. I'm doing something today. So, what do you think? I haven't worked in the car in a while. Well, apparently the steering shaft is out. Since we took the steering shaft out of the car and it's not here, I actually made another video which I never ended up rendering and editing or whatever, so I got the pedals.
Just Pasha here. Today we're back working on the shit box. Bleep that out. Today we're back working on the cart car. Cart car, there's your name for it, Pasha.
Cart car, dude.
Cart car.
Cart car.
I actually kind of like that.
Cart car.
We are installing steering rack, maybe. I don't know if you actually got the right parts.
I think I do.
We're installing pedals, maybe. I don't know if you actually got the right parts. And,
Well, I got the tie rods.
oh, we're installing the tie rods. Maybe. I don't know if you got the right parts for that.
Joe, what do you think?
I have faith in you, Pasha.
I think I got the right parts. I think I do. So, as Caleb did the intro, we are going to attempt the installation of certain parts. As you remember from the last video, I got the steering rack, but I didn't get the brackets to mount the steering rack. Also, the tie rods were messed up. So, the guy, I think he sent me a mounting bracket. It's better than...
So we don't have
Stop walking in front of the camera. Well, we'll do the other. Well, it's here.
It's gonna be a floppy rack.
It's pretty good. They should be the tie rods, the outer tie rods. So let's see if it's the right part. With my luck, something is not gonna go right today. I can promise you that.
Excuse me, you're cleaning that up. Huh?
I will. And the most exciting part that I was trying to get is the pedals. I got the pedals, okay? We're finally gonna have pedals. Gas, brake, and clutch. Supposedly, this fits 1990 to 1995 Miata. For our cart car. It's a cart car now. I'm gonna call it cart car.
Oh yeah.
Caleb came up with a name. So yeah, the pedals are out here. This goes right here, I think. So that, Caleb, what are you doing? Got it. Yeah, I thought so. There's a hole. Alright, there we go. I believe this goes something like that. Oh, I was like, what is this for? And I cut it off. I remember cutting this off. And I was like, yeah, we're not gonna need. I was like, we're not gonna need that.
Do we need it?
Not really,
We'll make it work.
but kind of. Also, this is pretty cool. Look at that, guys. We got pedals. This is epic. Pedals are in. I'm gonna bolt them in right there. I just wanted to make sure you guys see what's going on. There's a bunch of bolts over there. I got this little, I think it's for blinker. I think it's like a little fuse thing for the blinker. Got that in. I got this piece of the harness chips or whatever the hell it is. I don't know. I got that in as well. I'm gonna put this in, and the brake booster is here, which I'm currently tightening up from this side. I'm just not filming much because I am working. With the help of some friends and Caleb, which is a compliment, they got out the whole harness thing, and look how freaking long this thing is. Like, Caleb said it's like an intestine, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Like, it's
You pull
so...
out the body, the hose dies.
Yeah, it's
Look,
it's not really
press the
focused.
brakes, and they break.
Oh! Wait, I hope it
Well, they don't break yet.
Well, there's fluid coming out of this.
Well, yeah, but they don't break.
The pedal's pretty flimsy. Did you bolt that down yet or no?
I did not.
Okay, that's why.
Hopefully
You
don't
look
break.
so big in that tiny
Oh,
car.
you attached the throttle pedal. Nice.
So back at it with the lights. This is the battery from that Miata. It was
I'm assuming the battery's dead. Or, oh wait, no, it's still making some noise. Oh, okay, there we go.
the light works.
There we go. Oh, that's fucking bright. I can feel the heat coming off of the light.
Jesus.
I don't know why these.
It's just like really bad connectors.
Yeah. So now let's do this. Oh, that's dope.
Oh,
That's his blinker. That's cool.
that's pretty neat.
Now, what happens if you do them both at the same
They're
time?
both gonna light up.
Please tell me the flash explodes.
Oh, yeah. So the normal light overpowers the yellow, but damn, that hurt.
That's why I was gonna switch up to red turning or white turning off as yellow blinks.
Yeah, that might be kind of difficult. We'll have to do some like relay something, but it should work.
We'll do it. We'll find it. The lights work.
Yeah.
And the battery does the most.
Battery
important
works.
thing,
Yeah. So. Oh yeah.
Which is awesome. These lights are really bright, which is super cool.
Yeah.
They got sponsored, and they keep asking me to make a video, and we can finally make a video. We only need the back bar. This is cool.
This is cool. See?
I got the steering wheel.
That the first time this thing runs, it's gonna be so rad.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna be happy.
I'm playing with my shaft.
That's pretty nice.
Actually, I'm playing with your shaft. You want to be the one with the honors?
To steer it.
First turn.
Oh! It's steering.
Oh, it's spraying power steering fluid all over the place before.
That's fine. Power steering? How the hell is there power steering?
There's still fluid in the rack.
That's sick, dude!
Oh yeah. Boom.
Oh, yeah.
You did it.
Steering rack in, steering wheel in, the car. I already got a thumbnail, but this is cool. We got the steering wheel in, and my shaky camera, my shaky hands, but yeah. This is awesome. And all this wiring stuff. Very nice. I'm sorry for not making anything in the car. Didn't really have a chance to. Neither did I have the money. Neither did I have the parts. Neither did I have the time. Now it worked out, so there you go. The video is out. Once again, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Caleb, for helping me out as always. And yeah, I hope you all having an amazing day, night, or afternoon. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay positive. Bye.